Hi guys, welcome to my unboxing video for the month of August. So I'll just be taking you guys through all the products I received this month. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like it's very important. So this one is from Ezekiel Cosmetics. So in here we have their, I've opened some of it because I had to create content. So we have this right here. This is their essence and eye serum and face cream set. Essence and eye serum and face cream set. I'll show you guys what's in here. In here we have this. We have this beauty right here. My face is about to glow. Next up, I got their Civic setting spray. This is their Skin Fit Stick Foundation. Kindly ignore the background noise that you'll be hearing on this video because I don't have a mic. I'm yet to get another mic. So this is it. Skin Fit Primer. I already have this. I think they come in two different sizes here. They come in two different sizes. This is the smaller size. So I have the big size. And this primer is really nice. They are even true foundation. I still have the old one. I'm glad I got this. My shade is Sexy Almond. We have these babies here, highlighters. I also got their contact lens. I already made use of it, that's why it's empty. Then concealer, Skin Fit concealer. The shade is London ZC02. I still have one though. It's never too much. Ezekiel products are amazing. They are affordable and quality products. So get yours. So I'm done with Ezekiel. Let's go into the package that just arrived today. These Ezekiel products arrived last week. This baby here arrived today. This is from a brand deal. They paid collaboration. Yeah. So this brand actually told me they'll be sending their powder palettes and lip palettes. Oh wow, I love the way it's packed. It's beautiful. So it's A Ebony. I think A Ebony, yeah. A Ebony. This is how it looks like from the back. Let me just open that up. Julia. This will be their mini palette. And it comes in different shapes. I love it already. I'm making a video on them and I'm posting it on Instagram. If you've not followed me on Instagram, kindly follow me there at Life of Citrine at the UGC creator. So, this is their lip palette. This is their lip palette. Let me just open it. It comes in O1 and O2. O1 and okay. These colors are nice. I love the colors. So this is O2. These are the colors in O2. So the difference is O2 has darker range of colors, while O1 has lighter range of colors. We are done unboxing, and I can't wait to show you guys the magic I create with these folders. Thank you guys for watching to this point. If you've not subscribed, kindly subscribe. Hi guys, we still don't have a mic. Please forgive the whole background noise that you're going to be hearing throughout this vlog. We have a package, and this is from Exclusive Makeup. Just going to be opening that. So this package was from a PR I entered on Instagram. Oh wow, it's huge. So we got their wipes, 2 lip stains. Oh, I love these colors. Setting powder, their concealer. Also got their compact powder. It's called the Exclusive Super Stay. This is their foundation. Let me open it for you guys to see what's inside. I really love the way it's packed. Oh wow, I love the fact that it's different from the usual foundations. Don't need to do too much. Swatch that. Wow, look at that. Look at the coverage. Got their Sweat Lock, their vitamin C serum, 6 colored blush palette. Wow, this is the packaging for me. I love this when it brand. Oh wow, look at that. These shades are beautiful. Dive in. Let me just swatch this. Look at that pigment. I'm excited. The highlighter palette. Beautiful. Now, take a look at this beauty. What? Another foundation. This is their Super Stay Full Coverage Foundation. I love it. This should be my perfect shade. Man, give this brand their flowers. Their coverage is awesome. I have this lip palette. These colors. I have this 18 color eyeshadow. Guess the price of this palette, guys. I saw it on their page and it retails for 1,000 naira, like 1,000 naira. These colors are amazing. This is the last product in the package. Other palette. Take a good look at those shades. Ooh. Wow. I'm done unboxing this, guys. I'll see you in the next part of this vlog. We have a package. This is from MHK Cosmetics on Instagram. Okay. What they send: retractable eyeliner crayon. But it's really dark, guys. Really dark. They have their lip gloss collection. Oh, I love this color. It's called Humaira. Look at that. pigment. They also have their lipstick. We have this. Ooh, look at that packaging. I love how it's packed. Like, I really do love how it's packed. It's pink in color, pinkish purplish. It's a 2-in-1 lipstick plus lip liner. Wow, they're packaging for me. Like, this is the lip liner, guys. I love this. I love how it's packed. Look at that. Let me just swatch that. Wow, I particularly love this shade. I don't think I have any shade of lipstick or lip stain like this. I can't wait to rock this. Last one here, we have their eyeshadow palettes. Look at those colors. So it consists of pressed glitters, matte eyeshadows, and shimmery eyeshadow. Pigment. Definitely can't wait to make use of these products. Thank you, MAH Cosmetics. Hi guys, we have another package. This one is from Toyotress Hair. All these 9 post people. To see how much they collected from me just to get this stuff. I don't know, Nigeria which way. So this is it. It's a crochet hair. Maybe just so I can pick up anything like that. I have about 8 bundles in the pack. This is what it looks. Loving this already. Comes with a crochet pin. This beautiful card has a note. This came in yesterday. This is from Oriflame. I just became their new consultant. So you're welcome to register with me. I got a catalog for their newly launched products. This is their offer for the month. This is what I got. This right here is a must-have for every woman. It's super good for your intimate area. So I got their price lists based on my registration as a consultant. We have come to the end of this unboxing. See you in the next one. I'm hoping to get more packages. See you in the next one. Bye. Hi guys, remember I said on the last part of my video that I wish I got a package. Well, I just got one delivered today, and it's from, guess the brand, yes, from Zickel. But unfortunately I can't show you guys what's inside because they've not launched yet. They are yet to launch it, but they'll be launching this September, so I guess we are going to be seeing the products in September. But then this is the last package I got for August, on today the 30th of August. Thank you for watching this video to this point. If you love to see more unboxing videos like this, kindly let me know down below, and I'll be seeing you guys in my next video.